I've always said it was a bad idea na yung abogado ng Pangulo ang i-appoint bilang chairman ng COMELEC. Levity aside, I'm here not only as lawyer for Duterte Youth, but to protest against what to me is the most politicized commission on elections in the history of this country. I've always said it was a bad idea na yung abogado ng Pangulo ang i-appoint bilang chairman ng COMELEC. Bakit? Because we lawyers, alam ni Attorney Harold yan, we are bound by a certain set of principles, one of which is conflict of interest. You cannot go against a client even after the lawyer-client relationship has ended. That's the bedrock principle. Sagrado po sa mga abogado yan. Paano si George Garcia? He was very active as an election lawyer. Ang dami niya naging kliyente, not only the president. How is he going to deal with the situation when a former client goes before the Commission on Elections, which he heads? Kahit mag-inhibit na siya, sabihin natin mag-recuse siya sa proceedings, there will always be a cloud.